I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. I gotta go and get my buckets and put them out. Singing in the rain. Hey, the sun is trying to come out. This is my next project. The next project is getting this guttering up. You can hear it, you can hear it. You can see it, you can see it. That's the evidence. I'm here trying to clean up here. All the dry passion fruit. See that? I took down this from there yesterday. Yes, 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 yes. Whew. My little okras there. See that? See that? Planted these and getting one okras, but you see that?